Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're analyzing a simply supported beam carrying two loads at once, a uniformly distributed load along the whole span, plus a concentrated load at midspan. And we'll solve it with one of the most powerful ideas in structural analysis, superposition. Here's our beam, pin at A, roller at B, span L. A distributed load of intensity W covers the entire span, and on top of it, a point load P pushes down at the center. Two load cases we've already mastered separately, acting together. The reactions come straight from symmetry. Each support carries half of each load, half of the total distributed load, WL over 2, plus half the point load, P over 2. So RA equals RB equals WL over 2, plus P over 2. Now the shear force diagram, built by superposition. The distributed load alone gives the familiar straight line, sloping down at rate W. The point load alone gives two plateaus with a jump of P at midspan. Add them, and the diagram starts at WL over 2 plus P over 2, slopes down at rate W, drops vertically by P at the center, and continues down to the mirror value at B. The zero crossing lands exactly at midspan. The bending moment diagram adds the same way. The parabola from the distributed load, peak WL squared over 8, stacks on the triangle from the point load, peak PL over 4. Their peaks coincide at midspan, so the maximum moment is simply the sum, Mmax equals WL squared over 8, plus PL over 4. Notice the kink at the center, that slope change is the point load's fingerprint. The deflections add 2. 5 WL to the 4th over 384 EI, from the distributed load, plus PL cubed over 48 EI, from the point load, both at midspan. One beam, two load cases, one clean sum. Let's recap. For a simply supported beam with a uniform load plus a central point load, each reaction is WL over 2 plus P over 2. The shear slopes at rate W and jumps by P at midspan. The maximum moment is WL squared over 8 plus PL over 4. And the midspan deflection is 5 WL to the 4th over 384 EI, plus PL cubed over 48 EI, superposition, solve the parts, add the answers. Thanks for watching. Before you go, follow RHC Engineering and RHCES on YouTube and Facebook, and find more resources on our websites, shown here on screen. See you in the next video.